Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Heather and this is Mike. We're with TestOil. And today, Mike, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about data. And when we are looking at oil analysis and running these tests, the data is very granular. There's multiple parameters on a report. So how can we turn this very granular oil analysis data into big data that is, so that they're used in conjunction with each other?
Sure. So big data means a lot of things to different people. And with over 3 decades of data from thousands and thousands of customers, we have a lot of data to work with. And that's all designed to help us provide more insights around our analysis. We have been able to help customers see surprises in various trends within their industry group through diving into our big data analysis and reporting. We've also been able to partner with some of our customers to incorporate the results of our expert analysis into their own big data systems.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. But thank you for explaining that. And if you're interested in learning a little bit more about what a laboratory can and should be able to do for you, you can download our ebook Illuminate, and there is a link provided with this video. Thanks for joining me today.